that the youth are the leaders of now, not tomorrow, today. Na tunaanza hiyo safari pamoja. So we will do our part, Your Excellency. And thank you so much for the opportunity you have given us, for the leadership you have given us. Wananchi, normally, people never get time to say thank you to their leaders. And let me say something which is somewhat emotional to me, and I hope you guys will allow me to say this. I'm one of the very few people who had the very unique privilege of having a front row seat in your government, who saw you in action. When we were attacked in 2C2, when we were attacked in Westgate, when we were attacked in Garissa, I know how you worked round the clock when we had Corona. I know how you put everything in your body to clean up our education system in the country. I reported to you daily on the education sector issues. I reported to you daily on the security sector issues. And therefore, I had that front row seat who witnessed how patriotic and how deep your love is for this country. The worst thing we can do as members of your party and people in your party is to deviate from that path and let you down. I promise you, and I promise you, fellow members of Jubilee, and all the people of Kenya, that should I be the one so blessed by God, and through the glory of God who has the opportunity to carry the flag of the united opposition and eventually to lead this party and others to electoral victory, we will probably deliver a government that will pick up from where you left and make this country not just great, but Kenyans will be very proud about what we will do.